here on the left, you'll actually see tweets showing up in real time. So now, I can not only go someplace and see what it looks like in real life, I can actually take a look at a particular location and see what's happening right now. Next piece. This is a search that I did for the Metropolitan Museum of Art. So here it is, I'm looking at the top of the Museum of Art. This is not very interesting. I think I was talking about virtual tourism before, right? If we look here, what we've done as an application is actually integrated something called PhotoSynth, which is a cloud-based service that we use, or that Microsoft offers. You can upload lots of photos that you take of a particular article of interest or an area of interest, and we'll stitch those together in order to create an experience out of it. So here, we're going to look at a Van Gogh. I'm just going to scroll in, and you can see these are individual images that have been taken at different resolutions. We stitch them all together into one. But what's cool is you can get pretty close to the point where you can actually see the brushstrokes in this painting. And I can do it from here. So anybody can upload a PhotoSynth. In fact, some folks have. And if you add location information to them, we'll actually show it up on big maps. This is a PhotoSynth that was made from the top of Taipei 101. These are observation rounds. This is literally a 360-degree view. And I'm just scrolling around, pick the location, and as I scroll in, the photo will resolve into higher and higher detail. So I can kind of do virtual tourism there. Pretty cool? All right.